Russia has to rely more on the T-62 tank. As the tank design is around 60-year-old, the tank works as good as you would expect. Add poor training and morale and you don't really have a winning recipe, as Ukraine easily hunts down these tanks with FPV drones, chasing them down and penetrating the thin armor. Not even with a cob cage can help this tank from catching fire and getting destroyed, taking out another of Russia's old tank stock, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.